So, think about this for a second. How do you find a new local coffee shop or a restaurant right now? You probably just search for it, right? Well, what if I told you that entire process is about to be turned on its head? The era of just typing keywords into a search bar is ending, and a whole new age of conversational AI is taking over. Today, we're going to look at a really interesting tool that might just be the key to survival for thousands of local businesses in this massive shift.
All right, so here's our game plan. We're going to start with this huge challenge I'm calling the visibility crisis. Then we'll get into why so many businesses are basically becoming invisible to AI. After that, we'll talk about the problems with the tools people are using now and introduce a totally new local-first way of thinking. And finally, we'll see how this whole thing turns those digital weaknesses into solid gold opportunities.
So let's kick things off. There's a huge change happening in local search, and honestly, a lot of businesses are just not ready for it. I mean, think about it. When's the last time you ever clicked on page 2 of Google search results? Probably never. Now just imagine a world where there is no page 2.
And it's not just me saying this. Forbes put it perfectly. This isn't just another little algorithm tweak from Google. Nope, this is a complete paradigm shift. The entire way we find local businesses, from your morning coffee to late-night pizza, the rulebook is being totally rewritten.
See, we're all moving past just typing in keywords. People are literally having conversations with AI now. They're asking things like, hey, where's the best spot for a late-night taco that's not too crowded? They don't want a list of 10 blue links. They want one perfect answer. This is what we call zero-click search, and it's here now. And the numbers, whoa. The numbers are pretty wild. Projections show that by 2027, Google could be responsible for less than 40% of how people discover local businesses. I mean, that's a gigantic shift in power, away from the company that's dominated search for, over 2 decades?
And this is why the stakes are just so incredibly high now. In this new world, there's no second place. There's no page 2. You are either the #1 confident recommendation from the AI, or for all intents and purposes, you're completely invisible. That is the new reality for every single local business out there.
Okay, so how do you make sure you don't become invisible? Well, it's not about having the coolest looking website with all the bells and whistles. Actually, some of the most beautiful websites are the ones most at risk. Let's dig into what it actually means to be AI ready.
Here's the thing you have to understand. AI assistants, they can't interpret a flashy homepage video. They can't read your menu if it's just a PDF image. They're kind of blind to that stuff. They need clear, structured, text-based data to really understand what a business does. And if they can't understand it, they sure aren't going to recommend it.
And boy, the stakes are high. The Wall Street Journal found that tiny errors, like a wrong phone number or address listed somewhere, can permanently kill customer trust. And you gotta believe, if your customers don't trust you, the AI definitely won't either.
So, when businesses face this problem, what do? They usually turn to all these cloud-based tools for help. But these solutions, well, they come with a whole different set of issues, creating a real dilemma, especially for agencies and consultants trying to help.
Okay, problem number 1 is the business model itself. It's all subscriptions. You're basically just renting access to the tool. And as your agency grows and you add more clients, guess what? Your monthly bill just keeps going up and up. It's a system that basically punishes you for being successful.
But the money isn't even the biggest issue. There is a much, much bigger and often totally overlooked risk, and that's your data privacy.
Think about it. When you use one of these cloud tools, you are handing over your client's sensitive information to a third-party company. That data can then be used to train their AI models. You lose all control. For professionals like accountants, lawyers, or auditors, that's a risk they just can't take. It's a non-starter.
So this combination of crazy high costs and major privacy risks, it just demands a different way of thinking, a new approach that's built on ownership, not just renting. It's time to own the engine.
This chart just lays it out so clearly. You've got the old way versus the new way. It's a shift from a never-ending monthly operational expense to a single, one-time capital investment. It is the difference between sending all your private data up to the cloud and keeping it safe and sound right on your own computer. It's about choosing sovereignty over dependency.
What makes this all possible is something called local AI. By using awesome open-source tools like Ollama, you can run incredibly powerful AI models like the new Llama 3.1 directly on your own machine. This means you can do all this deep analysis completely offline, which guarantees total privacy and just nukes any risk of your data getting leaked.
Okay, so How does this all actually work in the real world? Well, the AI Local Business Gap Analyzer uses this local-first approach to run a super comprehensive audit in about 5 minutes, and it automatically finds these high-value leads for you.
It all starts by crawling the business's website. It looks for technical stuff like missing structured data, that's also called schema, and it flags those PDF menus. Then, it does a quick scan for security problems, checks out the company's local community presence, and even analyzes customer sentiment from recent online reviews. Finally, that local AI you're running pulls it all together into one simple, actionable report.
And the best part? This whole workflow is automated. The tool finds potential clients for you, it analyzes their website using your private, local AI, it even drafts a personalized outreach email, and then organizes everything into a simple Google Sheet that acts as your own little CRM. And this, right here, brings us to the most powerful part of this whole thing. The tool doesn't just find a bunch of problems, it actually helps you turn those problems into incredibly valuable sales opportunities.
So check out how this works. The tool finds a PDF menu, and boom, you can now go to that business and offer to make them the top recommendation on ChatGPT. Or it finds a security weakness, and you can offer to protect them against AI-driven fraud. Every single technical gap is instantly reframed as a clear, compelling business solution.
This completely changes how you sell. You're not just some vendor trying to sell another service. You become a strategic partner. You're a technical consultant who walks in with a data-driven diagnosis and a clear roadmap for how they can get an immediate return on their investment. That builds instant trust and credibility. It's a game changer.
So, at the end of the day, it really all boils down to this one simple question. As AI completely reshapes local search, businesses are going to fall into two camps. Those who are stuck renting expensive, insecure cloud tools, and those who take control, who own their own private, powerful analysis engine. The choice is yours. Which side will you be on?